Hey there, welcome to a new video. In this video we are giving a look at collision. So collision is an instrument inside Ableton that aims to emulate colliding percussive instruments. So we have two main sections. One, which is the excitator, which is the tool we use to hit the resonator, and then we have the resonator, which is the membrane, the material that resonates and makes the sound. So let's dive into it. So the basic preset is this one, and here we have the excitator. So if we turn off the mallet, nothing is hitting the resonator, so no sound. Let's turn it on. Here we have the volume. Then let's play with the noise. And here we have the mallet volume assigned to the key and to the velocity. Then we have the stiffness. So this adjusts the hardness of the mallet. So here we have a soft mallet and here we have a hard mallet. Then the color. And here we have the mallet stiffness linked to the keyboard and the velocity. Then let's go to the noise. Here we are shaping the noise. And we have also the ADSR. So that's it for the excitator. We have LFOs that we can map to other parameters. We have destinations. Here we can choose the various destination and the amount. Let's go to the resonator. So here we have the tune, which is basically the note, and it's like tuning the membrane of a kick drum or a snare drum. Then we have the pitch envelope and the key linked to the tune and the pitch linked to the velocity. Here we have other parameters, so the brightness, the enharmonics, the decay, the material. So if we have a hard resonator, it's like hitting a metallic instrument on a metallic membrane. Then we have the listening, left listening position. Then we have the hit position. And basically this adjusts whether we are hitting the membrane at the center or at the edge. Then here we have different types of resonators. So we have marimba, the string, membrane, plate, pipe, and tube. And some resonator types have different qualities. Then we have a second resonator, and we can also tune them together with this section in the middle. Then we have the global, the bleed, and the bleed mixes a portion of the unprocessed signal with the resonated signal. Then we have the pan. And we can also map the pan linked to the keyboard, so something like this. Then we have another global and the structure. So we can decide whether to have serial or parallel mode. So the first one is serial mode, and both excitators output to Resonator 1. And the Resonator 1 is then mixed down to mono and routed to Resonator 2, as well as to its own mixer. Instead, with parallel mode, so serial sounds like this, while this other one sounds like this, because we have only one resonator on. So now let's do it again. So the results are endless. It all depends on how you tweak each part, and it's a really fragile balance. So I highly recommend playing with all these parameters and get used to what each one does, but also explore presets, because they can give you a quick idea of how to make specific type of sounds. Then we have the voices, so mono, and then we also have the retrigger. So when enabled, the notes which are already playing will be retriggered, rather than generating an additional voice. Tuning these on can save CPU power. So basically, if we have two voices, these voices overbuild. If we use a retrigger, they keep cancelling each other and retriggering again. So this is it for Collision. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.